Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to drive straight in 5 minutes. This will be a simple driving lesson and I'll try to keep it as close to 5 minutes as possible. So let's get right into the video. Let's not waste any time. I'm gonna buckle up, I'm gonna start driving, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing to ensure that I'm driving as straight as possible. Now here's the thing, even when you're driving straight, you're still steering. People think that when you drive straight, you're simply holding the wheel in the same spot in the center. That is not true at all. You're still steering when you're driving straight. If I were to hold the steering wheel perfectly straight, then what would happen is I would probably veer a little bit to the right or to the left, and that's because, first and foremost, I'm probably not holding it 100% straight, but secondly, the roads are not 100% straight. So that's why if I were to hold the wheel completely straight the whole time, it probably wouldn't work out. So instead, you want to hold the wheel relatively straight while making little minor adjustments. I call them micro adjustments, right and left, okay? Now, what you also want to do is drive with two hands on the wheel. Yes, you can drive straight with one hand on the wheel, but the chances of you driving centered in the lane in a nice, relatively straight line are much higher when you actually have two hands on the wheel. So just put two hands on the wheel. It'll make it much easier to drive straight. The other thing that will contribute and help with your ability to drive straight is looking ahead. Now here's the thing. As a beginner driver, many beginner drivers look kind of like right in front of the hood. They look at the road right in front of the car. And that is not only unsafe because you'll be taken by surprise when someone slams on their brakes ahead, or there's a car pulled over, or whatever the case is, there's a construction zone, whatever the case is. It's not only unsafe, but it's also going to prevent you from driving straight in a straight line. You want to look further ahead. Now here's the thing, when you look down in front of the car, you're going to be constantly making these adjustments right and left. You're going to be going back and forth constantly. If you instead look far ahead on the road, it's going to allow you to get rid of all of those tiny little unnecessary adjustments and make these better adjustments that will keep you driving in a straight line. So the further ahead down the road that you look, the better that you'll be with regards to driving in a straight line, and also the better that you'll be with regards to safety. It just allows you to be a safer driver. Another thing, when you have two hands on the wheel, you want them to be equally spaced on the wheel. If you're driving like this, like this, like this, like this, whatever the case is, it's going to be hard to drive in a straight line when your hands are not balanced on the wheel. I like to keep my hands at roughly the 10 and 2 position, and you want to make sure that you have a nice balanced approach to your steering wheel grip. Another thing to keep in mind is your actual grip on the wheel. If you are gripping the wheel really firm, you're going to make these harsh adjustments that will not keep you in a nice straight line. It will not keep you centered in the lane. You got to have a nice firm but nice and flexible grip on the steering wheel. With a flexible grip like that, it's going to allow you to be very, very smooth, which will make it much easier for you to drive straight. The final thing that I want to talk about, and this is probably the most important thing, is your posture. If you're driving like this, leaning into the center console, driving with your arm out the window, whatever the case is, like this, like this, like this, it's going to be so difficult for you to drive in a straight line. If your posture is proper, meaning if your posture is nice and straight, then what you want to do is it will allow you to drive in a straight line. So you want to keep your posture straight. Let me just pull over to explain this and show you exactly what I'm talking about. If my posture is like this, I'm going to steer to the right. My posture's to the left, I'm gonna steer to the left. Your posture will guide your steering of the car. Also, if I look to the right, if I'm looking at the right side of the road, I'm gonna steer to the right. If I look to the left, I'm gonna steer to the left. It's only natural. This is most evident with children learning how to ride bikes. They look to the right, they veer to the right. They look to the left, they veer to the left. So look straight ahead, have proper posture, two hands on the wheel, well-balanced approach with regards to your hands on the wheel, firm but flexible grip, and you should be good to go. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over how to drive straight in roughly 5 minutes. I tried to keep it as close to 5 minutes as possible. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.